Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block specific collections based on company names in Shopify. Using the company names condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the company names condition. So first, we'll search for company names in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type, where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. Here we can see that the condition is available in both rule types. For this video, we will choose the Essential 1, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select company names. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. For this example, we set company names to block if found and enter your desired company names. For this video, I will enter Snow Devil. Next, we add another condition, collection. We select block if found and enter bear collection. Here we can see that the email support at klinkode.com is assigned to the company name Snow Devil. This means if the customer adds bear collection products and the customer is assigned with company names as Snow Devil, then checkout will be blocked. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "You can't place the order. Please contact support for help." Then, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the customer adds bear collection products, and the customer is assigned with company names as Snow Devil. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now let's change the customer email and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!